In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We have to do several things in a single day, dozens of things. We have dozens of routines. Some of the things have to be done off and on, another some of the things have to be done on the weekdays only, as there are weekly breaks and there are annually breaks as well. But there are still another thing, another type of things which we have to do on a daily basis, and there is no skip. We can't skip it. Like we do have to eat, we do have to drink, we do have to sleep, we do have to say the prayer, although it is not optional, but many of the people are not doing it. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, I am going to suggest you one item today. This item is going to be done, should be done, rather I shall say must be done on a daily basis, as in a routine. The way we do eat, the way we do drink and sleep, and all of those things which are essential. I think so. This one item which I am going to suggest, which I am going to put forward, should be done, must be done on a routine basis without any sort of break. And what is this? Prior to telling what is this, let us talk about what is the purpose of this. What is the purpose of this? The purpose of this is that we do want improvement in our routine. We do want improvement in our personality. We do want to become a better human being. We do want to become a better family member. We do want to become a better person at our career, at our business, at our employment, at our sports, in our hobbies, in our socialization, in respectless of what we are doing. We want to improve it, we want to make it better, and we want to make it even better. And maybe the improvement is coming, the improvement is arriving in us, in the different things we do have to carry, we do have to do in a routine manner. But the improvement we are receiving, we might not be confident, we might not be satisfied, we might not be content with the pace of improvement we are receiving. The matter of fact, as a matter of fact, the purpose of this new routine, the purpose of this new item which we do have to do on a daily basis without any sort of break, I think so it will start bringing the improvement in ourselves, in the different aspects of our life, and that too at a slightly faster pace as compared to what was the pace of these improvement in the previous life. Is it good, by the way? Yes. Now the people, my friends, are eager to listen. What is that? And let me tell you, prior to telling what is it, let us say that it is easy to start and it is easy to carry it on. It is not difficult to start, it is not difficult to carry on. And if it is so easy, and it can bring a good amount of improvement in every aspect of our life, regardless of what we are doing, whatever we want to continue, it will bring it will bring certain changes, and the changes rather certain improvements, and that too on a regular basis. I think so that is what makes it something very necessary, that is what makes it something very useful. And now coming to what that particular item is, dear friends and fellows in Pakistan, at the end of each day, we need to have a pencil and a paper, and we need to put the different items we had done today, whether whatever we did was a necessary thing, or quite an unnecessary thing, or the way I did it, whether it was useful or it was not so useful. I think we don't need to put every word on the paper. We need to simply write important words. Why? Because we should stick to our mind, should stick to the topic, and it should not wander here and there. This is the purpose of a pencil and a paper. But if at all you do have the ability to concentrate and to keep working to keep working without any sort of wandering of your mind, without any sort of unnecessary useless chattering of the mind, I think so then you can do it without a paper and a pencil. But there are very rare people who have the ability to do that. That is why I am suggesting that be like me. What I do is that at the end of the day I get a paper and a pencil and I start writing not the details of it, rather the main points only. And then I do think whatever I did, was it necessary to do, and did the way I did it, was it an okay, or I should have done in a different manner. This is the way I think so that we should do it, we should start it, and we should carry it on. And there we also need to enlist what were the necessary things I should have done, rather I must have done, but I failed to do that. Why? Because of negligence, because it needed to come out of my comfort zone, which I was not willing to do that. I think so that we need to work upon every aspect of what we did and what we did not do. What we did and did, was it necessary, was it the right way or the wrong way? I think so we need to work upon it, and we need to do a kind of auditing, a kind of audit, a kind of, you can say, like a mentor looks upon one's disciple, like a mentor looks upon the people who are under their observation, like a trainer. We need to separate ourselves from ourselves, and we need to look upon what we did, upon what we failed to do, and we need to make comments. We need to make comments, and the comments of a mentor, the comments upon each of the item we did, upon each of the item we failed to do, what we should have done. I think so like a mentor, like a trainer, like a life coach, we need to look upon each of these items, and we need to issue the instructions and instructions for we ourselves. We need to become our own boss, we need to become our own mentor. I am not suggesting that we don't need a boss or a mentor. I am not suggesting it. That is quite useful if you do come across a right person. But if at all you are not having one, then be your own mentor, be your own trainer, but be a trainer and a mentor and a life coach at that particular time, the time when you are reviewing reviewing your day, a time when you are introspecting, a time when you are retrospecting. It is something very useful, very useful. It can protect us from doing the bad things in the future, and it can somehow motivate us, persuade us. It can persuade us to do the necessary things, to do the useful thing, do the beneficial things, and that too in a right manner. Jazakallah.